Welcome to another video. Today's topic is going to be the Sight Reading Builder section of Smartmusic. I'm going to take you through and show you how you can build your own sight reading material to use in your classes. Alright, so we're going to start out on the main page, the home page of your teacher desktop. And I'm going to go up to the right. And now I'm going to click on the bottom where it says SR Builder. So it says to get started, select an instrument or ensemble. I'm going to click on the ensemble because most of us will be using it for ensemble. And I'm just going to click on a beginning band. So this is all part of the score setup. At this point, I can click on use random tempo markings if I wanted to just create random tempos. I can also come in and just click on whatever tempos I want to show up. So there might be some I would like, some I wouldn't like to be included. So let's put on Andante and Largo and Moderato. And now I'm going to click Apply. Now it's asking how long I would like this sight reading to be. And I can go in here and I can customize. So I could go in here and say between 4 and 8 measures. I'm going to click Apply. Now it's asking me to select the level. So if you're at a beginning band level, obviously you're going to be clicking something like 1, 2, maybe 3. And as you get to older students, then you're going to go up in your levels. So I'll click on 1 just to give us an idea of what's available here. So now it took everything that I put in there and it auto-generated this exercise for me. I can come over to the left and I can click on the time signature and I can come in here and I can customize this and I can click on the time signatures that I would like to see being used when I'm generating these. So I can click them on, click them off. It's very customizable. Down at the bottom there's advanced options where I can use only one time signature. Or you can see you can change time signature every so many measures, and there's lots of other things you can customize in this. I can click on the key signature up top and I can decide which key signatures I want to use when it comes to generating these exercises. I can also go minor keys, and then of course at the bottom here it also talks about changing every so many measures. So it's very customizable on what you want. If I click on the rhythm, then I can come down the bottom and I can click on all the rhythms that I would like to see included in this sight reading builder. If you notice up at the top, there's a tab for non-percussion as well as percussion. Now I'm going to type on instrument ranges. I have the option of deciding the ratio of repeated pitches in this sight reading. I can grab the bar and increase or decrease that. And I can change the ratio of accidentals by grabbing the bar and pulling that across. I can click into each of these ranges with the editing button, and I can choose what can be added or not added into that particular instrument's sight reading builder that's auto-generated. At the top I can click on interval, rhythmic options, and other options. So I can come into the interval option. I can decide what intervals I want to include in my sight reading. So you can get very specific on what you want to include when you're building your sight reading. Up top, we also have the ability to decide on articulations, dynamics, and any kind of ornaments we want to add in here. All we have to do is grab the bar and pull it over or back, and you can see it's all customizable. Now I'm going to click on this last tab, and now I have melodic options, so musicality, ratio of arbitrary jumps, scale fragments, arpeggio fragments. There's rhythmic options, so I can come into here into the drop down and I can decide on nose swing, light swing, dotted notes. I can click on the ensemble options and it says number of independent rhythmic lines. So it's very, very customizable what we can do here. Once I'm done deciding on all that, then I click on File. I can name the file and save the file. I can decide to continue to make more sight reading builders if I would like, or I can just go to the Manage My Content. And then the exercise that I just built is there for me to assign just by clicking the Assign button and deciding who to give that assignment to. Well, that's how to go into the Sight Reader Builder and create your own assignments that you can give to the students to improve their sight reading skills. If you enjoyed the content that I gave you in this video today, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get all of my future content. I would love to hear from you, so in the comments below, let me know what you thought about the Sight Reading Builder in Smartmusic. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.